Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can distort an object or shape in your canvas or documents on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. So let me navigate to this example canvas here and add a new rectangle. And what you want to do after that is use the select tool in the top left or by pressing the shortcut S on your keyboard. And after that, guys, what you want to do is left click into the selected shape or object. Left click into it again, and after that you will see these markers here to the left, to the bottom and to the top of the selected object. So left click into one of these, hold your left mouse and then move it up and down, and that is going to change the dimension of the selected object. And you can do the same with the arrow here at the top, and that way distort the dimensions or aspect ratio of the selected rectangle or object in general, elements. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.